This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, let's go it. Yeah, let me go to this server name and click on this browse for more. Then you'll get database engine. Click on this, you'll get server name. Then authentication, SQL Server authentication. So login is just a password. So just give the password. Right. So this is a examples DB that we created. So select that database and click on this new query. Okay. So other day we spoke about, right, like constraints, right? Here in the constraints we are left over with, we are yet to work on primary key and foreign key, right? These two. So these two has got some importance here. So these two, that is primary key and foreign key, are created to establish relationship between two tables. Okay, what is that is, so parent table and child table, parent and child. When parent has got, when parent table as primary key defined, then only child table will have foreign key. Then only you can have, then only child table can have foreign key. So the relationship, so if primary key is not defined, if parent table, then primary key is not defined on this parent table, then you can't establish a foreign key with a child table. If primary key is defined, then only you can do it, otherwise no. So example, so I think other day I've told you something like product and sales, right? So you have product here, product table. So this has got pk column, right? So I'm defining that product id, product name, right, like this. So this is the primary key, right? So here you'll have 1 2 3 4 5 something. So you'll have eraser, sharpener, compass box, right? Pencil, okay, scale, like this. That is ruler, right? So these all you have. Similarly, I'll have customer table also. So this table is also having a primary key. So like this cust ID, here, right? Here you'll have customer name, something, these details like email ID, phone number something. Okay, yes, details. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 A B C D E, customer names and email ID something. Okay, a@gmail.com. B, right, like this. He has got some email ID. Now phone numbers 89 something, some mobile number he has got. Now I'll have some sales table here. Sales table. So here what I have, I'll get PK and FK, then FK. So when you say PK here, and here we'll have FK, right? So PK, sales ID, product ID, customer ID. So you can see, so quantity, price, that is amount. So here PK, so 1 2 3 4 5. Now product, so this table has got relation with this table, with this column, with this column. So what is ID here? So 1, some 2 3, 2 year, 4 year. Now customer, right? So 1, so who is the customer purchase? So something like 5, something like 3, something like 2. Now quantity, so I've got some 10, 20, 30, 40 here. So the price is 5, 10, 15, 20 here. So 50 here, 100, right? 450, 800. So you see this this product, this one is coming from this table, all the values. Similarly, this is also coming from this table, right? This one. Can I go and insert like this? So here I'll put something like 3. So no customer value null, no customer null. Here I'll give some 10 quantity. Here 55, 550. Can I go and insert null here? Because it's a primary key, that is foreign key. Here I've got 6. Here null. Okay, in product null. Now the customer is 4, 25. The price is 50, right? 7. Now it's 11, 1250, right now. So you can see your null value coming in. Can foreign key, these are the foreign key columns, right? But this is this this column, right? This column is referring to this table, this column. Similarly, this column is referring to this table, this column. But here you have null value. Will that foreign key, will foreign key take null values? This foreign key will take null values. Will that take null values? Yes, it can take null values. But in few of the cases, so it depends. But generally it takes the values which are present here, but it can take null value also. Here you got 1 to 5. If I go, can I go insert other than value which is not present here in this product? And here also, can I insert a value which is other than 1 2 3 4 5 here? Can I insert? You can't insert it, to throw the error. So let's go and create these 3 tables. Then you'll get, first let's go and create a primary key on these 2 tables. Then we'll establish the relation between these tables. Okay, right? Then we'll get. Now let me go to these tables here. Okay, so we'll create. So let me remove these tables here, this also. Okay, create table product. Okay, product id and primary key, product name 30 year. Create table customer id and primary key, customer name varchar 30. Okay, then email something varchar some 50 year, then phone varchar some 15. Now go, right, you see I've created. Now I'm create, sorry, you can see this has got created, right now primary key we created. So here if you see to this columns, refresh here, go to that customer key here, so you'll find in this key, so it has, we have not given, so it has taken. Similarly you will have product, click on this, go to this here, so you see TK like this. Now go to that, create table sales, sales id int primary key, product id, right, then int, so int here, references you can see here. So let me create another window, I'll go query, I'll take it here. So this references sales product references here, so this is a product name, take this product, take this product id, copy this, create here, comma, now customer id and differences customer table bracket customer id. Okay, so you see this table is different, this table, this column is referencing to this product here, right. Now quantity and so then price, I'll go with the decimal 12 comma 2, amount, right, so decimal 12 comma 2, right now. Now try to execute this. So I've created the relation. So first I'll go and insert the data into the child. Okay, let's see, same thing. So insert into product values here 1 comma eraser something, go here 2 3 4 5 here, pencil sharpener, then box then you will have ruler. Okay, let me insert this. 5 rows got inserted. Now come back, select start from product. Now try to run this, execute this. So you got right now. Right. Now come back here, insert into customer values here 1 comma a some email a@gmail.com, some mobile number 90001 something. Okay, give some number. Now copy this all. Okay, so here you have 2 4 5. Two here, 3 here, 4 here, then 5. Now let's go. Okay, insert that. So just select start from customer. Okay, now try to execute this. I'll go back and here I'll do it. Okay, so you see, insert into sales. So values here. So you can face with the column names also, that should not be a problem. But if you don't give also, it works. So sales year 1. So product ID, I'll take something like, from here I'll take some 2 or 3. I'll take 2 here. Then customer ID. So here I've got customer ID here. So the person 4, right? Quantity 10. The price is 12.5. Then the 2. So it is 125, right? 125.125 rupees. So I'll insert this, right? I've inserted. Yes, see now. Select start from sales here. Now try to execute this one. You have got 10 into 2, 10 into 12.5, 125, right? Now if I go here, so the sales is 2. Now product ID, right? So here product ID till 1 to 5 only. Can I go and give you a 6? Will that work? That doesn't work. We'll see. So I'm giving product ID 6 here. That product ID doesn't have value. Now here I've got customer. So something like 4, I'll go with 2. So let me go give here 2. Now price, quantity is some 5 here, and the price is some 5 rupees. Then it is 5 into 5, 25. Okay, so here, but this product, in product we have only 1 to 5, but I'm giving the product value here, product ID, I'm giving 6 here. Will that work? It will not work. It will throw the error. Insert statement with foreign key, right? So you can see the value that is not accepted. Why? Because that product, your this product ID value 6 is referring to this product table product ID value, but that value is not there. Okay, now I showed. Now if you go and say null, will that work? Yes, it will allow you. Just see. Now try to execute. It has got. It will allow for the null value. Just see. So null you got. So this is a. So now I'll go here. I'll give 3 here. Now sub product ID. So this is a product here. Product, and here is 1 2 5. So let's go with the 4. Now customer, right? Here we got customer here. So 1 to 5. I'll give something like 10 here customer ID. Here third value customer at 10. But that 10 value is present. No, that is not present. I am giving something. So will this work? No, here also it will get error because customer value is not present in customer table, customer column. That 10 value is not present. So if I can I go and give null, will that work if I give null? Absolutely works. Just go and try to execute here. Did you see? Right now, here you got null. Here you got null, right? So this is how you create the relationship between the tables. So the example I've told you, you have a product table, then you have customer table, right? Sorry, product table, customer table, and here your sales. So this product ID is referring here. This product product ID, sales product ID. Now customer ID, sales customer ID, right? This is how it is getting referred, right? This is about your foreign key and primary key relationship. Okay, right. Now let's talk on grouping. So we have something called grouping or aggregate functions in SQL Server. We have this. We have something called grouping and aggregate functions in SQL Server. Okay, so something like sum, min, max, average, count. These are the grouping and aggregate functions in SQL Server. So what is this sum? So what happens here is when you say grouping or aggregate functions, your data would be divided into multiple groups. Your data would be divided into multiple groups. So let's see here. It will give sum of that column, sum of the column. Similarly, it will give min value of column. That what min value of the column that you are looking for. Similarly, it will give you max value of column. Here it will give average value of column. Similarly, it will give the count of records of the column, right? This one. So I told to perform these functions, your data. So your data, that is records of a table, will be divided into multiple groups. Records of a table, your data, divided into multiple groups like group 1, based on that group 1, group 2, group 3, group 3, group 4. Like this, it will divide group 1, group 2, and it will give you the sum, min, max, average, count, like this. Similarly, here also sum, min, max, average, count. This is also same thing. Sum, it will give. So based on that, what is that you are looking for? So you want sum, it will give you sum. It you want max, it will give you max. Okay, so like this, it will give you the grouping, sum, min. So this is of grouping, right? So these all will give you, right now. So now example I'll show you. Let me go to this one. So I've got something, employee ID, right? So I'll go as like emp. So let me go emp underscore id, emp underscore name, emp underscore sal, emp underscore department number, like this. Still you have, let's go now, emp underscore gender, now emp underscore city, right? So location or city. So now I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 year, 11, 12, something I'll take 13, 14, 15, 16 year, 17, 18, like this, right now. Here we got 10 department. So let me go here first. So I'll write like this, something like male, female, male, female here, male, female, male, female, male, female here, male, female, male, female. Okay, like this I'll write. Now I'll go with the department now. 10, 20, 30, right? 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, right? 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, sorry, 30 year, 10, 20, 30 year. Okay, so here employee, some A, B, C, D, E. So I'll take this one. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, something. So I'll give salary also here. I'll give salary as F3 plus some thousand. I'm copying this and paste from here to here. Okay. Now let's go with city, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai. Okay. Then Mumbai. Right. Let's go with this. Let's take this one. Okay. Let's take this. So what I want to do, based on department number I want to make. I want, so first thing is based on department number, right? So we have department number 20, 10, 20, 30, right? Based on department number, I want to get max of salary. So what you'll do here, this one. So this whole data you need to do grouping. So you'll divide the data. So internally SQL Server will divide based on the query that you give. So how do you write that query? Okay, we'll see internally when you say that based on department number. So we got this department number 1020, right? Here 1020 this all. Based on this department number, I need to get max of salary. So here what I'll do, I'll go here and write department number. So just see, I'll go here, I'll write department number is equal to 10 year. So I'll take this one. So first you take this header. Now take this. Okay, take this one. Copy this. Right, copy here. Right, take this one. Copy this. Right, these are the department number 10 values. Right, department. Similarly, when you want to do, now I want to, so because we want to get based on department number, right? So this is a second department, department 10, department 20, right? So I'm taking this one, take this, put it here. The second one, take this, put here, take this one. So you don't do it when you write query internally. SQL Server does like this because you are saying that do by grouping. So you see here, right? Like this. Similarly for 30, department number equal to 30. So you take this one, put here 30, take this, put here this one. So internally when you say when you write that query, it will do it. Now just see. Now out of this query, you will get max of, so now I wanted max salary of department, max salary. So here we got, what is the max salary here? So here we got 60, right? 6,000. So we'll get 6,000 as max salary. Similarly here also 6,000. Right? So like this we get 6,000 here. Similarly here also we'll get 6,000, right? So you see, right now. So you got max salary. So this is for max salary. Then min salary. So what is the min salary for this? 1,000 here. Similarly here also 1,000. Similarly here also 1,000. Right? Min. Then average salary. So what happens? It will count. You will take sum of this salary, divide by number of records. 21,000 by 5. 21,000 by 6. So you'll get 21,000 by 6 here. So you get that average salary. then sum of salary, so you get total of this is 21,000. Now you get count here. So what happens count? You get 6 records. Why? Because these total records are 6. You get, so you got max salary, then min salary, average salary, this one, then sum of salary, then total record 6 here. Count total record 6 records here. Like this you'll get, right? So it will get for this, it will get for this, it will get for less, right? Now, so this is one way. So now we want to do by department and city. So you see Department 10 Hyderabad, Department 10 Mumbai, Department 10 Chennai, Department 10 Pune, Department 10 Hyderabad. Like this, what will do? It will, now you take this, copy this, go to the second record here. Now here you write what is that? So Department 10, Department and city, right? So take this. Now Department 10 Hyderabad, take this one. Now I'll take the same thing here. I'll put it here somewhere. Department 10 Mumbai. Take this Department 10 Mumbai. Put it here. Department 10 Chennai. Right? So I'll take this. Department 10 Chennai. Now take this one. Right? So I'll put some thousand here. Because we have done with the formula, right? So that is right. Take this one. So we got now take this Department 10 Pune. Put it here. Then Department 10 Hyderabad. So you got this. Take this Department 10 Hyderabad. Put here. Then Mumbai. Take this here. Right? So you can see. So here you have Department 10 and city. Department 10 Mumbai. Department 10 Chennai. Department 10 Pune. Right? So here I'll give some 5,000. Can you go and get the max value, max salary, min, average, count, right? Sum, right? You can go and have run. So what is the max here? 2,000 for this. Min of this salary here, 1,000. Average 3,000 by 2, 1,500. Count 2 records. Sum 3,000, right? Like this. We'll have like this here. Max 2,000, right? 1,000 here. 1,500. 2 employees. 3,000, right? Like this you can go and find out. So now I went with the department. So internally it is going to divide like this because I wanted based on department number and city. So it has divided. So department number 10 has got in different cities, right? So this is how. So I'll take this data exactly. First I'll go and create the table as it is. Okay. So let me go and create. Then we'll talk how to write the query. Okay. So let's go. Create table emp underscore grouping. Okay. Now enter int, right? So varchar some 30. Now salary decimal some 18 comma 2, right? Department int, gender char something, so 1, because one character I'll give, so I've taken this city something like 15, Okay, I'll create. Now let me go and run this table. I've done. Right now, I'll take this one. So I'll take the same data here. What data I have here? Let me go to this, insert into. So I'll put this data here. Then go with the table. Take this table here. I'll put it here. Values. Okay. Close this now. Now let's go. So here, right? One. So this is character. So I'll go in single quotes. Okay. Now 1000. 10 department. Right? Single quotes here. Okay. So this is how I'll do it. So first record. Right now. So I'll take this all. Okay. I'll remove this. So you can go and insert data here. Let me do that. Okay. Right. So take this. Let me insert this data. Then we can work on that. Okay. Right. Let me run this. So instead of writing, I'm just copy pasting here. Okay. So the data that I've taken in Excel, I'm making proper because we having this character data, numeric data. So right? Now you're done, right? I'll just go and execute now. Blunder. How should do it now? I've given. I should. Yeah, you can do it. Right. I'll tell you what how to do it. Put comma here. Okay. Right. I'll tell you. Come on. So I'll insert as a batch here. Just see. Okay. So let me put here this also. Right. So you see, I've used this single select statement. Right. I'm inserting. You can see this. So insert into table values and this rows. Okay. So the first row, this one, the second row, then third row, then fourth row, fifth row, then sixth row, then seventh row, right? Now try to execute this, right? I've got 18 rows inserted. Now go back, take this table name. Now try to execute. So you can see 18 rows got executed, right? Now let's go. Now go to new query here. Then how do you write? This is all okay because I have illustrated and told you what is the syntax that to write. So here select start from the table name. So I will use emp underscore grouping something, the table name that I have given, then group by, right? Emp department number. So I want to do group department number. Then I'll go here. I'll do sum of sal. So right, if I use this, so then I'll get like this. I'm doing group by. I've used the group by here, right? I'll do the same thing. Let me go there. So here department salary, right? Let's go there. Select sum of, take this table name from, then group by, right? Then I'll take this department number. I've taken this. Then right here I'm taking sum of employee sal. Right now, if I execute this, what happens? You got this one, but you don't know which what is the column name. So here you got no column name. So I'll go there as total sal. Now try to execute. So you see total sal, right now, but you don't know to which department this column belongs to. So you told group by department number, but 51 belongs to which department number? 57 belongs to which department? This one which belongs to which department? You don't know. So I'll go and give here comma EMP department number. Now try to execute here. So department 10 is 51,000. Department 2 like this. This is how you can give. Similarly, you can give here, right? Max of salary from that department number as max salary, comma. Now try to execute. So you see max salary and total sum salary. So if at all I don't give this department number, you don't know. But whatever the column, so if you do like this, na, so you execute, click through error. Why? So you're doing this sum max here and this column, and you see here is invalid because the select statement is invalid in the select list because it is not contained either in the aggregate or in the aggregate function or in the group by clause, right? Na? So this group by department underscore number. Now try to execute this, right? This is a, so you have got, so like this you can go and have min of emp underscore salary, like min sal, right? Sorry, comma, we have missed comma here, right? Now try to execute this. Now average, go there, emp underscore salary as average sal, comma here. Now try to execute, right? Average sal. Now, right? Count, put this star here, count. In case of star you should not give any column there, but you should say as count as star. Number of records. Now try to comma. Now try to execute. So you see number of records 6 here. So I have done with this one. So can I take the same one? Take this, I'll take new query. Then I'll do group by emp underscore location, right? So we got something emp underscore gender or city underscore city here. So here I'll go give, because I'm using this group by clause, those columns should be part of your select statement. Just here emp underscore city. So I'll just remove all this, then I'll just have only one. You can have all also, that should not be a problem. Now try to execute here. So in Chennai you have 10-20 departments, in Hyderabad you have 10-20, in Mumbai you have 10-20, in Pune you have 10-20-30, right? So like this. So depend, so I've taken the this one. Can I go with gender also? Yes, emp underscore gender. So here you have mentioned all the columns, right? And this group by clause should be part of your select statement. If I run here, it will throw the error. So it has given, but where do you find the gender? You have told this gender, right? It has done, but in the select statement you don't. It has given by department number, city, but not by gender. But here you see department number, city, gender. That gender you need to mention here, emp underscore gender, like this, comma. Now try to execute. So you see department 10 Chennai male, department 10 Hyderabad male, department 10 Mumbai female, department 10 Pune female, right? Like this you will have all the columns here, right? So this is how you do the grouping. So whatever the columns that you write here, that should be part of your selection. If at all you don't do, if at all you don't give, I've just given some here, this will work. this will work. But you have used this department, city, gender, right? You have told department, city, gender. But how do you find this total belongs to whom? To which department? To which city? So what are the columns that you have specified here? That should be part of your select statement here. Then only you will come to know belongs to which department, which city, which gender here. Right now try to execute. See here. So why it is getting error? Because after total salary we are not given a comma. So let me give comma here and this. Now try to execute. Total salary, EMP department number, EMP city, EMP gender. Okay. So this is about your grouping. So okay, you have to do like this. So do grouping. So you label. So this is very important. So tomorrow we'll talk about joins tomorrow. We'll talk on joins tomorrow. Okay. So we'll talk on tomorrow joins. We have different types of joins. So till today we were working with only the single table, but from tomorrow we need to work with multiple tables. Then how do you work? Okay. How do you work there? Then we'll talk on that. Okay. So today you go through this. Tomorrow we'll work with the joins. Right? Just go through them. Okay. Right. Thank you guys.
Excuse me, sir.